Morning, Adrian at Engine Carbon Clean. Got an Audi A4 2-litre diesel. It's 56 plate, 148,000 on the clock. Now the owner's put this in, a little bit lumpy on warm-up, rough starting occasionally. So with the age and mileage, you expect a fair bit of muck in there. Now he's had issues recently with, over the last couple of years, with an EGR getting replaced, a manifold runner causing problems. We had the manifold replaced as well, so all the flow of gas through the EGR and the live data looks spot on. Desired versus actual looks perfect. That's because that bit's all nice and clean. We're here today, clean up the combustion chamber, injector tips, piston cylinders, get some carbon out of that cap. All the live data looks good on this. Little bit of a wobble at idle that's emerged as we've got further into the clean. Now the engine's lovely and smooth and quiet. There's a residual wobble, and that looks like it could be down to engine mount. So it has had the new clutch as well, so it's not going to be down to that. Other than that, it's running beautifully. Lovely, nice temperature again. It's had a replacement thermostat. He does like to look after his vehicles. This is just a case of getting it running back to its best, and it is running lovely and smooth and quiet compared to when we first got to it. Hopefully that will help with the cold starts.